I'm going to be showing you how to fix or unlock the Fire Trailblazer Fire MC in Honkai Star Rail. So in order to unlock it, you must complete the main story on Jirilo 6, specifically reaching the final battle against Gokulia. So this occurs around Trailblaze level 26, and you don't need to compete or complete all the side quests, just the main storyline. So once unlocked, the Fire Trailblazer switches from the path of destruction to the path of preservation, making them a tank or a support character with enhanced damage reduction abilities. So this version is superior to the physical version due to its improved survivability and damaged output. This change is tied to the story progression on Jirilo 6, and all players unlock it the same way through the main narrative. So just stay playing the game and follow the storyline, and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.